Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So first, let me unlock my OnePlus. Now, what can we do to fix the microphone? First, we need to find the microphone port and then clean it with a non-metallic tool. When you clean it with a metallic tool, then you can only damage the port and it will be much worse than the microphone not working. So you could mess everything up. So use a non-metallic tool while cleaning it and then go over to Recorder app. And here, as you guys can see, you can start the recording and see if your microphone is working because of the sound waves. So let me be quiet for a while. And as you guys can see, the microphone is now working fine. So what can we do if our microphone is not working? We can try to update our software. It can fix a lot of glitches, including the microphone not working. So just head over to settings and scroll down to system and update. Now go to software update and here make sure that you run the latest version of the OxygenOS. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.